Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Nature Boy Scenic Railway. My name is Kirsten, and I'll be your guide on the tour this afternoon. Just a friendly reminder, there is no eating, drinking, smoking, or vaping on the train. As well, I ask that you please remain seated with your arms and legs well within. It is intended as a scenic ride and not as an animal display. Therefore, it will only be by chance that animals are seen. However, keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready. The train you're riding on is being pulled by a miniature replica of an 1863 CP Huntington steam engine. The original steam engine played an important role in building the western portion of the first transcontinental railroad from 1864 to 1869. Today, the original engine stands in front of the railroad station in Sacramento, California, as a symbol of an engineering marvel of over 100 years ago. And on our left-hand side of this white card, you see a type of swan called a mute swan. This species of swan is...
Left side. This large building coming up on our right-hand side is a state-of-the-art elephant facility designed to house the park's herd of Asian elephants. African Land Safari is an accredited member of the International Elephant Foundation that supports conservation, education, and research worldwide. Through their passion, expertise, knowledge, and partnerships, they inspire and engage people to ensure a vibrant future with elephants everywhere. Elephant.
Elephant! Look at that! Hey, he's smart, baby.
Yeah, elephant.
Baby elephant.
Back side. Big elephants.
You might also notice the opening to the right-hand side. That would be our elephant lookout, and once the train tour is done, if you exit and follow the path to your right, all the way down, it'll take you to the elephant lookout. There you might be able to get a closer look at some of our newest additions to the herd. Boxes on the trees, we're coming up to one on the left-hand side. These would be our bat boxes. African Lion Safari took a very active approach to controlling the mosquito population and added a number of these bat boxes throughout this reserve. It's interesting to know that bats are able to consume half their body weight in insects every night. And these two white birds along the fence here on the right-hand side are the European white storks. They're known to be the deliverer of babies. It's also said that they bring good fortune to the owners of houses in which they build their nests. Common freshwater species. Female danger turtles range from 10 to 25 centimeters long, and the males are usually smaller. An interesting fact about the turtles is that warmer weather causes them to be born female. Unfortunately, we are now approaching the end of the tour, and I ask again that you please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Once you've exited the train, the path leading off to the right is also the gateway to show areas, including Parrot Paradise Show, Little Ray's reptile performances, and Birds of Prey flying demonstration. If you have any questions about the tour or safari in general, I'd be happy to try and answer them for you. I'd like to thank you guys for coming today and hope you enjoy the remainder of your stay here on safari. Please just make sure to watch your head and your step as you exit from the train.